Welcome to Payon English channel. Today we will learn about in town. Let's start.
Siêu thị.
Supermarket. Supermarket. I go to the supermarket.
Bến xe buýt.
Bus station. Bus station. Bus station is so big.
Rạp chiếu phim.
Movie theater. Movie theater. We go to the movie theater.
Cửa hàng bách hóa.
Department store. Department store. I buy a clothes at the store.
Thư viện.
Library. Library. I read a books at the library.
Cửa hàng kẹo.
Candy store. Candy store. We buy the candy at the store.
Quán cà phê.
Cafe. Cafe. My mom is at the cafe.
Cuộc diễu hành.
Parade. Parade. The parade is very colorful.
Buổi hòa nhạc.
Concert. Concert. I like this rock concert.
Trận bóng đá.
Soccer game. Soccer game. I like to watch a soccer game.
Buổi dã ngoại.
Picnic. Picnic. We have a picnic today.
Chợ.
Market. Market. She buys a fruit at the market.
Rạp xiếc.
Circus. Circus. Circus is in town.
Buổi khiêu vũ.
Dance. Dance. They go to the dance. That's all for our lesson today.
Follow for more.
Thank you for watching.
Goodbye.
Bye.